Chaii, my people, wonders they say shall never end. What at the moment, our Nollywood actress, our superstar, Destiny Etiko, find it very hard to say goodbye to her doctor. The man don't really try for her. As you can see, there is improvement on her leg, all thanks to God Almighty and this doctor. See our Destiny behaving like a small pikin. Mouth wey talk go prosper. I dey observe something about Destiny Etiko. This girl be like person wey go sabi love well. Like, is in her eyes. Whenever I look at Destiny Etiko's eyes, I always feel that this girl will know how to love her man. And I can't just wait for her to introduce her man to this phase. Seriously, check out how she's just behaving like a small pikin. Please don't go, doctor. You know, that kind of vibes. Guys, please, let's wish her a quick recovery. We can't wait to have our Destiny back on her feet again. Chaii, my people, wonders they say shall never end. Saidaboj, voice of the girl child, don't come out to begin the drag Cubana chief priest alleged baby mama. She talk say why the woman go allow herself to be used like that. Say why she go open mouth they talk instead of her to just bend down they beg it Cubana chief priest wife make she for accept her pikin. Now then she just they drag Cubana chief priest and anybody wey CP get problem with. No be smart in my people. Saidaboj really said a lot of things in this video, and for the first time I'm agreeing with what this girl is saying. Make I play the video, make yourself hear, grab your popcorn because this matter long and you go enjoy them. Watch this video to the very end and do well to share. Please share my videos, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Let's hit the video together. Don't forget to share, like, comment. Ngwanu, let's go.
This Cubana chief priest alleged baby mama they be like a winch. I best we get coin for head. When you go calm down, behave well, make the man look your size small. Make the man wife take your husband say, my love, pity the woman, just take care of the pikin. If the pikin like own true. They put mouth. If you allege baby that the get issue with person, you go cause the man and you want the man make the man help you. You go suffer. See, you never start. You go waiting so far. Even me, I don't go even like me that man help you, say because your mouth too they wrong. You be troublemaker, you very this kind of woman they frustrate men. Normally I'm for the women, but I don't like women when they behave like this. You want frustrate the man, you want make the man leave your wife, we don't hustle with him, struggle with him, start with him, come meet you. Pastor, do a DNA, you and that DNA go hold for them. Even if you say that pikin on your own, you know go look your side, you go suffer. You never start. Because normally that man wife no be winch. When you go calm down, make the man wife pity you, say, okay, my love, and just take care of the child that will make this woman no suffer. Normally say if you get sent for even go to woman DM say, please tell your husband. You get that kind of thing. The Cubana chief priest wife, the woman seem like a good woman. I don't know her personally, but she just the way she see her, she seem like she go say, okay, honey, I beg, I send this woman some money, make she take care of the pikin. But no, you won't use gra, you go old. Pastor, do the DNA with your wide mouth. Nobody go do DNA for you, go, oh yeah, the pikin go old for DNA.